Fertility obviously is an important concern for adolescents as well as for their parents. But before I answer that question, I'd like to just suggest a framework that people might want to think about when hearing rumors about side effects that could be caused by vaccination. And that is, I would suggest people ask, how likely is it that this rumor is true? Does it make sense? In this case, there are over 150 million people in the United States who have received these COVID vaccines, and many, many more people around the world. If there were a problem with fertility, it certainly is something that would have been noticed with this large number of people who have been vaccinated. The other thing to think about is, what do the experts say? And in this case, the experts, those who care the most about pregnant women and women who might be trying to become pregnant, in other words, fertility, are the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists and the American Society of Reproductive Medicine. So what did they say in their statement? And I'd like to read it. As experts in reproductive health, we continue to recommend that the vaccine be available to pregnant individuals. We also assure patients that there is no evidence that the vaccine can lead to a loss of fertility. While fertility was not specifically studied in the clinical trials of the vaccine, no loss of fertility has been reported among trial participants or among the millions who have received this vaccine since its authorization. So there you have a statement from the experts that there is no issue, no problem with fertility.